I'm going to show you a peaceful and refreshing place in Surabaya, Taman Hutan Raya Jeruk, also known as a Bukit Teletubies.
Summer days rushing by you and me makes it harder to see underneath. Did we ever know? Did we ever know? Did we ever know? Is it all inside of my head? Maybe you still think I don't care, but all I need is you. Yeah, you know it's true. Yeah, you know it's true. Forget about where we are and let go. We're so close. If you don't know where to start, just hold on and don't run. No, we're looking back. We messed around, but that was then, and this is now. All we need's enough love to hold on.
This park is a perfect place to relax with your friend or family. It has a kids playground with swings and slides, as well as a beautiful artificial lake that makes the atmosphere even more peaceful. There are also gazebo, where you can sit down, rest, or simply enjoy the nature around you. Don't forget to take photo. There are many aesthetic spots and rice-filled areas that are great for walking and snapping pictures. The best part, it's super affordable. Entry ticket is only 5,000 rupiahs and parking is 2,000 rupiahs for motorbikes and 5,000 rupiahs for cars. Such a good deal, right? Even though the entrance fee is very cheap, it is still important for visitors or maintain the cleanliness of the park by disposing of trash properly. The park is open daily from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. So you have plenty of time to enjoy all the facilities. Taman Hutan Raya Jeruk is located on Jalan Raya Menganti, Jeruk number 277, near the Jeruk Public Health Center in Lakarsantri, Surabaya. It's easy to reach by both motorcycles and cars. Since it's located in a residential area, it has become a favorite destination for locals. Here are a few tips if you plan to visit it. First, come in the morning. To enjoy the fresh air and avoid crowds. Second, bring a camera or a good phone because there are many nice photo spots you won't want to miss. And last, make sure you and your friend or family help keep the park clean for everyone's comfort. So that's all for today's video from